Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. In the present case, the learned magistrate has not conducted any inquiry so as to satisfy himself that the allegations in the complaint constitute an offence, and when considered along with the statements recorded and the result of such inquiry, stop. There is ground for proceedings against the petitioners under section 204 CRPC, stop. There is nothing on record to show that the learned magistrate has applied his mind to arrive at a prima facie conclusion, stop. It must be recalled that summoning of accused to appear the criminal court is a serious matter affecting the dignity, self-respect and image in the society, stop. A process of criminal court cannot be made a weapon of harassment, stop. Learned magistrate has passed a very cryptic order simply by saying that the statement of complainant as well as witnesses recorded under sections 200 and 202 CRPC are perused and accused are summoned. Such order per se itself illegal, which could not stand the test of law, stop. Reliance is also placed upon the judgment of this court in the case of Shri Shiv Kumar and others versus State of UP and another, reported in 2017 JIC 589, stop. Paragraph number 10 of the aforesaid judgment is relevant for the controversy in hand, stop. Learned magistrate was required to at least mention in the order about the prima facie satisfaction for summoning the accused, stop. The order must reflect that the learned magistrate has exercised his jurisdiction in accordance with law after satisfying himself about the prima facie allegations made in the complaint, stop. The accused cannot be summoned mechanically merely by writing that perused the statements under sections 200 and 202 CRPC, stop. A perusal of this impugned summoning order indicates that learned magistrate had noted in the impugned order the contents of complaint and evidences under sections 200 and 202 CRPC, but had neither any discussion of evidence was made, nor was it considered as to what overt act had allegedly been committed by accused, stop. This contention of learned counsel for the applicants cannot be ruled out that learned counsel have noted the contents of complaint and statements without considering its probability or prima facie case, and whether he had actually considered statements under sections 200 and 202 CRPC or the documents of the original, stop. At stage of summoning, the magistrate is not required to meticulously examine or evaluate the evidence, stop. He is not required to record detailed reasons. Stop. A brief order which indicates the application of mind is all that is expected of him at the stage. Over.